Hello everyone, it's me, Midshipman Christian O. Aguilar, first year BSMT from the section G2A, and this time I will memorize the Rule 35. Rule 35, sound signals in restricted visibility. In or near an area of restricted visibility, whether by day or night, the signal prescribed in this rule shall be used as follows. A power-driven vessel making way through the water shall be sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes, one prolonged blast. B. A power-driven vessel underway but stopped and making no way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes, two prolonged blasts in successions with an intervals of about 2 seconds between them. C. A vessel not under command, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, a vessel constrained by her draught, a sailing vessel, a vessel engaged in fishing, and a vessel engaged in towing or pushing another vessel shall, instead of the signals prescribed in paragraph A or B of these rules, sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes 3 blasts in successions, namely one prolonged followed by 2 short blasts. D. A vessel engaged in fishing when at anchor and a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver when carrying out her work at anchor shall, instead of the signals prescribed in paragraph G of this rule, sound the signals prescribed in paragraph C of this rule. E. A vessel towed, or if more than one vessel is towed, the last vessel of the towed, if manned, shall at intervals of not more than 2 minutes sound 4 blasts in successions, namely one prolonged followed by 3 short blasts. When practicable, these signals shall be made immediately after the signals made by the towing vessels. F. When a pushing vessels and a vessels being pushed ahead are rigidly connected is a composite unit, they shall be regarded as a power-driven vessels and shall give the signals prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule. G. A vessel at anchor shall at intervals of not more than 1 minute ring the bell rapidly for about 5 seconds. In a vessel of 100 meters, one more inland and bell shall be sounded in forepart of the vessel, and immediately after the ringing of the bell, the gong shall be sounded rapidly for about 5 seconds in the after part of the vessel. A vessel at anchor may, in addition, sound 3 blasts in successions, namely one short prolonged and one short blast to give warning of her position of the possibility of collision on the approaching vessel. H. A vessel aground shall give the bell signal, and if required, the gong signals prescribed in paragraph G of this rule, and shall, in addition, give 3 separate and distinct strokes of the bell immediately before and after the rapid ringing of the bell. A whistle aground may be addition sound an appropriate whistle signal. I. A vessel of less than 12 meters in length shall not be obliged to give above mentioned signals, but if she does not shall make some other efficient sound signals and at intervals of none more than 2 minutes. G. A pilot vessel may, when engaged on pilotage duty, may in addition to the signals prescribed in paragraph A, B, or G of these rules, sound at identity signals consisting of 4 short blasts